Hi everyone. Today I'm sitting down with Pete Clinton, owner of Tiger 29, to talk about one of those topics that so many small business owners are curious and sometimes even skeptical about SEO. We're going to break down what SEO really is, how it can help you grow your business, and clean up some of the biggest myths out there. Pete, thank you so much for being there. Are you excited?
I am excited to be here and talk about small business SEO.
Let's start with the basics. For those who don't know Tiger 29 yet, what do you do and how you help small business?
So, Tiger 29 is a search engine optimization company located in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We help small businesses get better visibility on Google when customers are searching for their services. Today, that means branching out into AI visibility and doing other things for that, but primarily we are here to help small businesses grow.
So, in simple terms, SEO is really about visibility, helping people find you when they're looking for what you do.
SEO really is about visibility on Google and ChatGPT, but for small business owners, what they really want is those leads. People hitting the call button, people filling out a contact form. That's how you know when SEO is working, when you see an increase in those high value actions.
Now, SEO can sound super technical. How do you explain to someone who's never done it before?
So, frankly, SEO can be a little bit technical. The way that I like to explain it is good search engine optimization builds authority, relevance, and trust in the eyes of Google and ChatGPT. When you do the right things to build authority, relevance, and trust, your visibility improves and you will get more customers.
So, it's not just about keywords and rankings?
Search engine optimization and AI visibility are absolutely not just about keywords and rankings. You need to go beyond keywords, beyond rankings, and understand our customers not just finding you, but taking the next step. Clicking on a call button or filling out a contact form is how you really understand if your SEO is working.
Can you share a quick example of how SEO helped one of your clients to get more visibility or customers?
One of my favorite client SEO stories is a small business that we worked with. He was a single sole owner operator, and he really just wanted to have a better life. He wasn't getting the kind of clients that he wanted, he wasn't making the kind of money that he wanted. We've worked with him now for over 7 years, and he's worked with us this long because today his business has multiple employees. He owns a second home. His business is growing and thriving in part because of the search engine optimization that we've done and the visibility that he has on Google and ChatGPT.
Let's bust some myths because I know a lot of people watching have heard mixed things about SEO. Like the first one is SEO takes forever to work.
So, one of the biggest myths about SEO is that it takes forever to work. And that can be true in certain industries or certain markets, but for the most part, there's usually some pretty low hanging fruit when it comes to optimization that can get you quick wins for visibility on Google and ChatGPT.
Okay, the next one is SEO is just about keywords.
So in the old days, search engine optimization used to be a lot more keyword centric. As the algorithm has evolved, and especially now in the age of AI search, it's becoming more about conversations instead of keywords. How can you show up in those conversations that people are having in ChatGPT and on AI mode? Because ultimately, Google and ChatGPT want to give people good results, and you want to be in that conversation when they're trying to satisfy those searches.
And I've also heard people say SEO doesn't matter anymore because of social media or AI.
I always kind of laugh when somebody says that SEO doesn't matter anymore, and then they follow it up with the thing that they're actually selling. Search engine optimization is still one of the best ways for a small business to grow. And even in the age of AI, with tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude coming online, search engine optimization hasn't changed that much. We use the same techniques and tactics to get visibility on those large language models as we did on the Google platform under the old algorithm.
One thing that stands out about Tiger 29 is that you really educate business owners instead of just doing the things behind the scenes. Why is that important?
It's important for small business owners to understand search engine optimization. And that's why we spend a decent amount of time on the SEO Power Hour educating them about how SEO actually works. There's a ton of misinformation out there on the internet. There's a ton of old information about SEO on the internet. And so it's important to stay up to date and current with the current techniques and the things that are working today so that you get visibility for customers who are searching for you.
And that's where your SEO Power Hour comes, right?
The SEO Power Hour is the best way to get started with SEO. And we love to have an education component during that call where we describe how search engine optimization works and how we build authority, relevance, and trust in the eyes of the algorithm or the AI systems that are out there today.
If someone's watching this and wondering, how do I know if I need SEO? What will you say?
So if somebody's wondering if their small business needs SEO, the real answer is you probably don't need SEO unless you want more customers. Most of the clients that we work with have healthy small businesses. They're doing just fine, but they want a little bit more. And search engine optimization is a great way to get your business in front of customers who need your services. When that happens, you generate more leads and your business grows.
And what's one simple thing a small business owners could do today to start improving their SEO?
So there's a couple of things that a small business owner can do today to start improving their search engine optimization. The first is the SEO Power Hour, where we get on and actually make real changes in real time on your website. And then they could spend a little time getting familiar with tools like Google Search Console. So they start to understand the keywords that people are using when they're searching and where their site is showing up right now today on Google Search.
Pete, this has been so valuable for us. Before we wrap up, what's the one thing you wish every small business owners understood about SEO?
One thing that I wish small business owners understood about SEO is it's not magic, it's real work, and it pays off.
I love that. So, if someone wants to learn more or book that SEO Power Hour, where should they go?
If someone wants to learn more or schedule an SEO Power Hour, there's links in my bio or in my profile where you can do that. It's super easy. Follow me on different social medias. We're going to be talking a lot about search engine optimization and AI optimization and where this whole thing is going.
Perfect. Thank you, Pete, and thank you all for watching. If you're small business owners ready to finally understand SEO and start getting more visibility, this is the great first step. Don't forget to like, share, and tag other small business owners who need to hear this. See you in the next one.